Welcome to this video about the mystery of the ancient keystone cuts and the metallic clamps. If you are new to this mystery, the basics are that megalithic blocks in many ancient structures, in some cases, have been locked together with metallic clamps in pre-cut molds in stones. There are different designs like I and T shaped clamps, but the idea is to lock the stones together, possibly as a way of earthquake proofing the structures. This phenomena occurs in many ancient buildings on all continents around the world, like in Pumapunku, Bolivia, Dendera, Karnak and Luxor, Egypt, Acropolis, Athens, and in many Asian structures and in Japan. The practice seems to have been in use for thousands of years, and there are many mysteries in connection to this. Many ancient cultures seem to have used a similar technique, and the level of technical skills in connection to such constructions is hard to explain. Are the clamps fabricated and placed in the stone molds at constructions, or are they casted on site? Such a process would be hard to explain in the mainstream definition of many ancient cultures. The existence of keystone cuts is in many cases an anomaly in conflict with the current historical timeline. For those who research forgotten lost ancient mother civilization, this is facts supporting this hypothesis. Would it be possible for a Bronze Age civilization to master this process, and what would it look like? This illustration is the result of our research after contacting the Swedish Casting Society. The layout was established after input from multiple members of this group. The hypothetical depiction is done on a technical level accepted by mainstream historians at this time. The process needs to have been mobile in a manner that would allow a melt oven to be transported along a construction site. And a number of other obstacles need also to have been mastered. A cold stone will easily crack if in contact with melted metal. So some kind of preheating, according to the depiction, must have been in use. And massive safety precautions would also have been needed when working with hot melt, and customized tools when fetching and pouring the cast. This topic and other research supporting the hypothesis of a forgotten ancient mother civilization is published on Amazon.com. Our first book, Tale of a Sunken City, contains illustrations and graphics at a unique level in this genre. It's also an introduction to alternative archaeology that introduces the reader to various theories in a clear and unbiased style. It's meant to be an introduction to the subject and can serve as an excellent textbook. We are now working and doing research for our second book on ancient mysteries on the topics of historical anomalies, in which the research on keystone cuts shown in this video will be published.